How to share your Google Drive files with anyone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to share your Google Drive files with anyone. So first thing first, just head over to your Google Drives, or you can also open your Google Chrome browser and just head over to your Google Drives by simply tapping on this extension over here. And as you can see, I've already logged in with my account. So now let's say if I were to select any one of these files which I would like to share with anyone, I'll simply head over to this share option over here by simply tapping on this Twitter icon. I again click on share, and as you can see currently I can easily add a people. So let's say I want to add some person over here, and when I click on send, only this particular person will be able to view, so it's currently unrestricted. So whenever I select it with anyone with the link, now it will update, and now whenever I copy this link and send it or paste it anywhere, they can easily view that no matter where they are on the world. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.